Hi, welcome to the channel. So in this video I'm putting some side repeaters on that I've bought recently off Amazon. The ones that I've got sort of don't really flash very much. They're silvery kind of clear colour, and I wanted the black ones. So I'm just fitting them here. Don't forget to have a look in the description for links. They're relatively cheap and they look really good. Enjoy the video. So scan this QR code, it will take you straight to the product, or have a look in the description and click on the link. And here's what it really looks like. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.